Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, continue tayo for problem number 23. Saan ba yung 23? Yan. So, we have the we have integral of x to the power 5 minus 2x cube minus 2x, I don't know, x to the power 5 minus 2x cube minus 2x all over x squared minus 1 dx. Tama? X squared 2x cube minus 2x x squared plus 1 dx. Sige. So, sorry. Di pala nakikita. Yan. Okay. Sige. So, again, initially, no, we might say, no, or we might be tempted to check if this, itong x squared minus 1 is a factor for this one. Notice yung numerator can also be, sandali, I think pwede pa natin to i-factor. By the way, using your calculator, you can actually factor this one. I think obvious na pwedeng i-factor yung x kasi meron tayong x for all terms. So, bale magiging, this will become x4, x squared, and then 2. Then all of this will be multiplied by x. Okay, and then again, you might be tempted not to check if this is actually a factor. Now, you can actually use your calculator. Tingnan nyo, pwede nang gumamit ng calculator. Mode, you can assume x squared to be equal to x man. So, mode 5, hindi, mali pala. Tama, mode 5. Anyway, I'm using the Canon calculator, but sa inyo, iba siguro. But I'm sure meron yung quadratic function, no? Yan, quadratic 1. And then, kunin nyo yung roots. To get the roots, simple lang. I-apply nyo lang yung coefficient. So, that's 1, negative 2, and then negative 2. Tama ba to? Tama. And then, you will notice, wala. Kasi 1 plus square root of x. And then, 1 minus square root of x. Tama. So, it means, hindi ito factor, itong x minus 1, okay, is not actually a factor of itong nasa itaas. So, meaning, ang gagawin natin dito is the same with problem number 22. Meron kasi tayong long division to. Okay? So, sige. Sandali, kunin ko muna yung tablet ko. Okay? Sige. So, ito yung last problem, no? Yan. So, ano nga ulit yun? Integral of, bali, that will be, sandali, copyhin ko muna to, ha? Bali, ito. This is actually, bali, x na lang yung matitira, no? 4, 2, ano yan? Tama ba? I think tama naman. Tama. Sige. And then, divide na natin. Sandali. I think kailangan natin yung whole term talaga. Sige daw. Let's try. Yung whole term lang, yung x to the power 5. Check natin. Okay, so this will be x to the power 5 minus 2x cubed minus 2x will be divided by x squared minus 1. Okay, so again, x to the power 5 divided by x squared, that will be x cubed, no? So that will be x to the power 5, and then x cubed times negative 1. So that will be minus x cubed. Okay, and then negative 2 minus negative 1, that will be minus magiging plus. So, ang matitira is negative x cubed na lang. Again, that's negative 2 plus 1. And then, bring down 2x. Next, divide natin. This will become minus x. Diba? So, that's minus x cubed. And then, minus x times minus 1. That will be positive x plus x. Okay. With that, this will be 0. And then, negative times negative. So, this will be negative 3x. Okay, so I think okay tayo dito. Well, so meaning, ito yung matitira. Over x squared minus 1. Okay, so lipat natin dito. So, yan. So, we simplified our function to a more integrable. Tama ba yung term na ginamit ko? So, this will become x cubed. Yan, alam natin yan. Ano yung integral niyan? Minus x minus 3x over x squared minus 1. Now, ang first term, walang problema. We can use the second equation. Ang second term, we can still use the second equation. Now, ang third term, this time, we can now use substitution. We can let u to be x squared minus 1. So, meaning, 2x yung du. Okay, so I hope okay tayo dyan, ha? Sige, so gawin natin. Let u be equal to x squared minus 1. Then, du should be equal to 2x dx. Okay, now before we can proceed with the substitution, answeran muna natin to. So this will become x plus 1 all over the exponent, di ba? This is using the second basic integration formula. Ito naman, this will become x 1 plus 1 over the, yan. And then lastly, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na we'll be using integral, no? I mean, we will be using substitution. Kaso nga lang, before we can proceed with the substitution, notice, du should be 2x dx. Ang meron tayo dito is 3x man. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, basically, tanggalin natin yung 3. Ilagay natin dito since that is just a constant coefficient. So, ang gagawin natin, we will multiply the function with 2. Yan, multiply natin ng function with 2. But, again, to neutralize, i-neutralize natin, di ba? I-divide din natin siya or i-multiply din natin siya by 1 over 2. Okay, this way, we just multiply the function with 2 over 2 or 1, which does not necessarily change the value of the equation. Okay, and then with this, we can now proceed with the substitution. Sige. So, again, I will leave the part where you simplify this one. I'm sure you can use your calculator for this one. Now, ito, papalitan natin to. This will become u. And then 2x dx will become du. So, I'll change this one to du. And then this one, this will actually be 3 over 2. Ay, sorry. Yeah, 3 over 2 yan. Now, notice, this is actually, we can actually use the third equation for this one. 1 over u, integral of 1 over u is ln, absolute value of u plus c. Sige, so our final answer will be, this will become ln of absolute value of u and then plus c. Okay, and then we can now actually simplify this one. Check na natin dito. So, kayo yung bahala. Ay, sorry. Yan. I think ito, madali na lang to. Yan. So, ito yung simplified form. Again, just use your calculator for the part where you simplify. And then, lnu, palitan natin. So, ang lnu, original value ng u is x squared over 2 man. So, kopyahin ko to. Ay, sorry. Yan, so palitan natin na u should be x squared. So, I think yan lang. I think ito na yung sagot natin. So, finalize natin. Yan. Okay. So, let's start to check our answer key if same ba tayo sa answer key natin. Anong number ba to? 23, no? X to the power 4 over 4. Uy, may mali ako. 3x squared over 2 minus 3. Uy, may mali tayo. Saan tayo nagkamali? Okay, so may mali tayo kasi dapat sa answer key sa answer key kasi ang nakalagay dito is 20, this should be 3x squared, no? 3x squared over 2 at saka yung isa 1/2 ln x squared. Sige. So, anyway, i-check natin kung, again, meron naman tayong way to check kung mali ba yung sagot natin or hindi. So, again, use your calculator and then mode 1 muna. So, ang gagawin natin is to get the derivative of our answer. So, derivative of, ayan, x4. So, that will be, ayan, derivative of x to the power 4 all over 4 and then minus x squared over 2 and then minus 3 over 2 and then ln absolute of x squared minus 1. Ay, sorry. Yan, and then plus c is just 0. So set natin to 0.1 daw. Check natin. So again, remember this value, that's 0.204. Anyway, you can store this one for the exact value. We can store sa letter A. After storing sa letter A, we can check the actual value of our function and then set x equal to 0.1. Dapat same sila. Pag hindi sila the same, it means may mali tayo. So meaning, x, or that's x to the power 5 minus, ito naman yung given, di ba? Minus 2x cube minus 2x over x squared plus 1. Okay, and then calculate at x equal to 0.1. Uy, tama, mali nga. Saan tayo nagkamali? Okay, so again na, alam nating mali kasi hindi equal yung nasolve natin na value dito at saka yung nasolve natin na value kanina. Ay, hindi. Mali pa yung nalagay ko sa calcio. Dapat pala, this is minus 1. Minus 1. Dapat 0.204. Oh, tama. So, since this is 0.204, baka ako yung nagkamali sa given. Baka plus 1 yan. Double check ko muna. Baka plus 1 yung sa given. Baka mali yung na-copy ko. Oh, tama. Plus 1 pala. Yung nailagay ko dito is minus 1. Sorry. So, sa given pala is, this is plus 1. So, baguhin ko muna. So, if that is plus 1, meaning, mali na to. Sandali. I-double check natin ulit. Kaya pala mali. Mali pala yung given na nailagay ko. So, balik tayo dito sa actual integral natin. So, if this is plus 1, bale, so this will be positive. What will happen if that is positive 3? This will become 3x. Actually, babaguhin ko na lang. Balik ulit. Okay. So, again, divide natin x to the power 5 divided by x squared. So, that will be x cubed. So, x cubed times x squared. So, x to the power 5. X cubed times positive 1. That's positive x cubed lang. So, subtract 0. Negative 2 minus positive 1 is actually negative 3 x cubed. Bring down negative 2x. Next, divide negative 3x cubed divided by x squared. So, this will be negative 3x. So, multiply natin. Negative 3x times x squared. So, this will become negative 3x cubed minus, ito, multiply natin to. That's actually negative 3x lang. Okay, and then what will happen? 0, subtract, no? So, negative 2x minus negative 3, or that is negative 2x plus negative 3. So, that will become positive x. Which means, ang remainder natin dito will be x over, ano yan? X over x squared plus 1. So, ito na yung bagong function pala natin. So, mali pala to. I apologize. Di ko napansin mali yung nailagay ko na given. So, this is actually x cubed minus 3x plus x pala to. Yan, plus x. But anyway, the process is still the same, no? We will let u equal to x squared, 2x. So, ito, tama to. Kaso nga lang dito, meron tong 3. And then dito will be positive. And then this will be removed. Diba? Wala na yan, 3. So, ay, plus na lang yung matitira. Okay. And then ito, I think copyahin ko na lang. Ito, copyahin natin. Copyahin natin. And then our final answer will be the, yan, yung shortcut nito. Ay, sorry. So, ito, and then ito, isa na lang. Okay, so I think okay na tayo. Yan. So, yan, I think more or less the same na yan sa answer key natin. Check down natin ulit. X. 9.3x squared plus q minus 3x squared minus 1/2. Ay, nakalimutan ko plus pala. So, since plus yan dyan, plus din to, plus din to, plus din dito. Okay, so I hope okay tayo dyan. Again nagkamali ako nung una kasi mali yung nilagay ko dito na value. Akala ko x squared minus 1. So, this is actually x squared plus 1. Sige, so I think that's it, no? Anyway, if you have any questions or clarifications with regards to the solution, comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin, which is the last problem, number 24.